Hi friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show a demo on how to use like when a string has percentile in its value in SQL. This is my table name which contains ID and name column. So if you see the names here, every name contains percentile as well except for first record. Now I want to search from the database table having this value in the name column. So I want to search how many records are there having this logic in the name column. If you see here, there are three records the same way having H, percentile and A. So I want to know how many records are there from this table using this logic. So generally, if you want to search in any string pattern column, we can use the like operator. We can use the like operator in where class and apply the wildcards as per the requirement. We can use the like operator along with percentile or underscore. Like along with percentile and like along with underscore. So now by using like operator with percentile, I want to search how many records in my table having this logic. Okay, I'm writing the query here. Select star from name where column name is again name like name like. So I want to search for this logic H and percentile A. Whenever you use the like operator, you have to use either percentile or underscore. So I am using the here percentile H and percentile again A and percentile. If I execute this one, you see all records will come. But for first record there is no percentile. If you see observe the value for first record there is no percentile. We can having percentile for second, third and fourth records. But how can I get only those records without having the first record? So, in that scenario, you can use the square brackets for the percentile. Square bracket, and if you execute this one, so it will eliminate the first record and get only this logic H percentile with A. So initially my table contains four records. First record without having any percentile and the rest of the records having the percentile. I want to fetch the records having the percentile with the H and A. So for that I am using the square brackets which will for that percentile to search in my search pattern. So I am using this one so that it will eliminate the first record. Because of not having the percentile, it will eliminate the first record. The rest of the three records I am get by using this logic. So this is how you need to escape. You need to escape and you need to handle if there is any percentile column in your string using like operator in SQL. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.